Hello friends, myself Monica. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are discussing about the differences between growth and development. Let's start with first difference. Growth is a part or an aspect of development process of human beings. Development is a wider and comprehensive term. It includes physical as well as intellectual, emotional, social, aesthetic and moral aspect of development. Second difference है growth is not a continuous process. It starts with conception but ends at some particular age. Mostly it stops when the person attains maturity. Other side, development is a continuous and lifelong process. It starts with the birth of an individual and ends with the death of the individual. It covers the whole lifespan of the individual. Third difference है growth refers to change in a particular aspect of body and behavior. Other side, development refers to changes in various parts of the body and behavior as a whole. Fourth difference, growth refers to increase in size, height and weight. It implies growth of heart, brain, muscles and body in general. It refers to quantitative changes. But development refers to change in structure, form or shape as well as improvement in functioning. It implies both qualitative as well as quantitative changes. Fifth, growth refers to improvement in structure or body. Development signifies improvement in structure as well as improvement in functioning of various parts of the body and behavior. Physical, intellectual, emotional, social and moral behavior of the individual. Sixth one, growth is not an integrated process. It refers to changes in structure or physique only. Development is a complex process of integrating many structures and functions. Seventh, growth may be looked upon as the cellular multiplication. It refers to changes in the particular aspect of the body. But development is an organization of all the parts which grow and differentiation has produced. It implies the organization as a whole. Eighth, growth is primarily the function of the organism rather than that of the environment. Other side, development is a function of both organism and environment. Ninth, the changes produced by growth are the subject of measurement. They may be quantified. ग्रोथ में आपके जो चेंजेस होते हैं वो क्वांटिटेटिव होते हैं, सो दीज आर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ मेजरमेंट. बट इन डेवलपमेंट implies changes in structure as well as improvement in functioning and behavior. These changes are the subject of assessment. And last difference है आपका growth may or may not bring development. For example, a child may grow by becoming fat, but this growth may not bring any functional improvement or development. Other side, generally growth and development go hand in hand, but development is also possible without growth. Some persons do not gain in terms of size, height or weight, but they do experience functional improvement or development in social, intellectual or emotional aspects. These are some differences between growth and development. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Stay home, stay safe.